Welcome to ABC, where study rules. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello friends. ABCGS presents Most Important MCQ on Indian Geography Part 3. Part 1 to 2 are already uploaded, you can watch them. So let's begin.
Hello friends, welcome to ABCGS. We will discuss Indian Geography Most Important MCQ. This is part number 3. Part 1, part 2 are already uploaded. You can watch them. Question number 1. Mount Abu is a hill station located in dash ranges. Option number 1, Vindhya. Option number 2, Satpuda. Option number 3, Aravalli. Option number 4, Sahyadri. The right answer is Aravalli Ranges. Mount Abu is a popular hill station in the Aravalli Range in Sirohi district of Rajasthan near the border with Gujarat. The highest peak on the mountain is Guru Shikhar at 1722 meter above sea level. Question number 2. The mountain range which divides the North and South India is option number 1, Himalayas, option number 2, Western Ghats, option number 3, Vindhyas, option number 4, Satpuda. The right answer is Vindhyas. The Vindhya range is considered as the traditional boundary between North India and South India. It is a complex, discontinuous chain of mountain ridges, hill ranges and plateau escarpments in west-central India. It runs north of and roughly parallel to the Narmada River in Madhya Pradesh and extends up to Gujarat in the west and Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the east. Question number 3. The northern part of the west coast in India is known as option number 1, Konkan Coast, option number 2, Coromandel Coast, option number 3, Malabar Coast, option number 4, Godavari Coast. The answer is Konkan Coast. Question number 4. The range that acts as watershed between India and Turkestan is option number 1, Jaskar, option number 2, Kailash, option number 3, Karakoram, option number 4, Ladakh. The right answer is Karakoram. Andaman is separated from Nicobar by which water body? Option number 1, 11-degree channel, option number 2, 10-degree channel, option number 3, Palk Strait, option number 4, Gulf of Mannar. The right answer is 10-degree channel. The 10-degree channel is a channel that separates Little Andaman and Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Question number 6. Nanda Devi Peak is located in dash state. Option number 1, Himachal Pradesh, option number 2, Uttarakhand, option number 3, Uttar Pradesh, option number 4, Sikkim. The right answer is Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is part of the Garhwal Himalayas and is located in Uttarakhand between Rishiganga Valley on the west and Gauri Ganga Valley on the east. Question number 7. The longest sea beach in India is option number 1, Chapoda Beach, option number 2, Diu Beach, option number 3, Aksa Beach, option number 4, Marina Beach. The right answer is Marina Beach. Marina Beach, a natural urban beach in Chennai, is the longest beach of India with a length of 6.5 km. The beach runs from near Fort St. George in the north to Foreshore Estate in the south. It is the second longest beach in the world after Praia do Cassino Beach in Brazil. Question number 8. The Himalayas are also known as mountains. Option number 2, fold mountains. Option number 3, valley mountains. Option number 4, Indus mountains. The right answer is fold mountains. The Himalayas are examples of fold mountains that are created where two or more of Earth's tectonic plates are pushed together. The Himalayan mountain ranges were formed as a result of a continental collision along the convergent boundary between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate. Question number 9. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Option number 1, Narmada River. Option number 2, Son River. Option number 3, Betwa River. Option number 4, Godavari River. The right answer is Narmada River. Narmada flows in a rift valley between the Satpuda and Vindhya ranges. Question number 10. The outermost range of Himalaya is called. Option number 1, Kali. Option number 2, Shivalik. Option number 3, Dehradun. Option number 4, Kumayun. The right answer is Shivalik. The Shivalik Hills is the outermost range of the Himalayas, also known as Manak Parbat. It located in between the Great Plains and Lesser or Middle Himalayas. This range is about 2,400 km long, enclosing an area that starts almost from the Indus and ends close to the Brahmaputra. Question number 11. Continuous chain of mountains that rise abruptly more or less parallel to the coastline of India is option number 1, Aravalli. Option number 2, Satpuda. Option number 3, Eastern Ghats. Option number 4, Western Ghats. The right answer is Western Ghats. Question number 12. India shares longest international boundary with which country? Option number 1, Bangladesh. Option number 2, China. Option number 3, Nepal. The right answer is Bangladesh. Bangladesh and India share a 4,096 km long international border, the longest border that India shares with any country. Question number 13. The easternmost peak of the Himalayas is option number 1, Namcha Barwa. Option number 2, Annapurna. Option number 3, Kanchenjunga. Option number 4, Mount Everest. The right answer is Namcha Barwa. Namcha Barwa, a mountain in the Tibetan Himalaya, it stands inside the Great Bend of the Yarlang Sangpo River as the river enters its notable gorge across the Himalaya, emerging as the Dihang and becoming the Brahmaputra. Question number 14. Metamorphisms. Option number 1, structure. Option number 2, texture. Option number 3, both 1 and 2. Option number 4, actual chemical composition. The right answer is both 1 and 2. The word metamorphism comes from the Greek meta means change, morph means form. So metamorphism means to change form. The process of metamorphism is one that changes or alters either the mineralogy, structure, or the texture, but typically both of some pre-existing rock. Question number 15. The two richest ecozones of India are option number 1, the Himalayas and Vindhyas. Question number 2, the Himalayas and Eastern Ghats. Option number 3, the Himalayas and Western Ghats. Option number 4, the Himalayas and Aravallis. The right answer is the Himalayas and Western Ghats. Question number 16. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? Option number 1, 17. Option number 2, 27. Option number 3, 36. Option number 4, 47. The right answer is 36. The name Lakshadweep in Malayalam and Sanskrit means 100,000 islands. Question number 17. Niyamgiri Hill is located in Kalahandi district. Option number 1, Orissa. Option number 2, West Bengal. Option number 3, Punjab. Option number 4, Kerala. The right answer is Orissa. The Niyamgiri Hill is a hill range situated in the districts of Kalahandi and Rayagada in Orissa. These hills are home to Dongriya Kondh indigenous people. Question number 18. Panchmari Biosphere Reserve is in option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Option number 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Option number 3, Himachal Pradesh. Option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Panchmari Biosphere Reserve is a non-use conservation area and biosphere reserve in the question number 19. Which hill station's name means place of the thunderbolt? Option number 1, Gangtok. Option number 2, Shillong. Option number 3, Uttarakhand. Option number 4, Darjeeling. The right answer is Darjeeling. The name Darjeeling comes from the Tibetan word Dorji, means the thunderbolt scepter of the Hindu deity Indra, and Ling, a place or land. So it means place of the thunderbolt. Question number 20. The headquarters of the Survey of India Department is located at option number 1, Jaipur. Option number 2, Dehradun. Option number 3, Hyderabad. Option number 4, New Delhi. The right answer is Dehradun. The right answer is Dehradun. Question number 21. Which of the following is formed out of volcanic eruptions in India? Option number 1, Deccan Plateau. Option number 2, Lakshadweep Islands. Option number 3, Western Ghats. Option number 4, Himalayas. The right answer is Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is made up of lava flows or igneous rocks known as the Deccan Traps. The rocks are spread over the whole of Maharashtra and parts of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Question number 22. The plateau that has both west and east flowing drainage system is option number 1, Malwa. Option number 2, Chota Nagpur. Option number 3, Ranchi. Option number 4, Hazaribagh. The right answer is Malwa. Question number 23. A tropical deciduous plant special to the Deccan Plateau is option number 1, teak. Option number 2, shisham. Option number 3, sandalwood. Option number 4, sal. The right answer is sandalwood. Question number 24. If in the east it is Guhar Moti, in north it is Siachen Glacier, then in south it is option number 1 Uttanad, option number 2 Kanyakumari, option number 3 Rameshwaram, option number 4 Indira Point. The right answer is Indira Point. Question number 25. Which is the highest plateau in India? Option number 1 Deccan Plateau, option number 2 Chota Nagpur Plateau, option number 3 Ladakh Plateau, option number 4 Baghelkhand Plateau. The right answer is Ladakh Plateau. The largest and highest plateau in India as well as the world is the Tibetan Plateau, called the Roof of the World, which is still formed by the collisions of the Indo-Australian and Eurasian tectonic plates. Question number 26. The Greater Himalayas is otherwise called as option number 1 Himadri, option number 2 Sahyadri, option number 3 Assam Himalayas, option number 4 Shivaliks. The right answer is Himadri. The three major geographical entities: the Himadri Greater Himalaya, Himachal Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik Outer Himalaya. Question number 27. The highest mountain peak in Peninsular India is option number 1 Anaimudi, option number 2 Dodabeta, option number 3 Mahendragiri, option number 4 Nilgiris. The right answer is Anaimudi. The highest peak of Peninsular India is Anaimudi, 2695 meter in Anaimalai Hills. It is located in Kerala in the Western Ghats. Question number 28. Tiny marine animals which constitute limestone skeletons are called option number 1 Chlamydomonas, option number 2 Foraminifera, option number 3 coral reefs, option number 4 diatoms. The right answer is coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater structures made from calcium carbonate secreted by corals. Coral reefs are colonies of tiny animals found in marine waters that contain few nutrients. Question number 29. A narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses is called option number 1 strait, option number 2 peninsula, option number 3 cape, option number 4 isthmus. The right answer is isthmus. Strip of land connecting two larger landmass areas, usually with water on either side. Question number 30. The place Sabarimala is situated in which of the following states? Option number 1 Andhra Pradesh, option number 2 Tamil Nadu, option number 3 Kerala, option number 4 Karnataka. The right answer is Kerala. Question number 31. Which Himalayan peak is also called Sagar Matha? Option number 1 Nanga Parvat, option number 2 Dholagiri, option number 3 Mount Everest, option number 4 Kanchenjunga. The right answer is Mount Everest. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is also called Sagar Matha. Its height is 8848 meters. Question number 32. Which river in the Southern Peninsula has the second largest river basin in India? Option number 1 Godavari, option number 2 Krishna, option number 3 Kaveri, Option number 4, Mahanadi. The right answer is Godavari. After the Ganga river basin, the Godavari river basin has the second largest river basin in terms of length, catchment area, and discharge. The Godavari river is the largest in peninsular India and had been dubbed as the Dakshin Ganga, the South Ganges river. Question number 33. Name the longest lake in India. Option number 1, Pangong Lake. Option number 2, Pulicat Lake. Option number 3, Kolleru Lake. Option number 4, Vembanad Lake. The right answer is Vembanad Lake. Vembanad is the longest lake in India and the largest lake in the state of Kerala. Question number 34. Ganga is a result of confluence of rivers Bhagirathi and Alaknanda at which place? Option number 1, Devprayag. Option number 2, Karnaprayag. Option number 3, Gangotri. Option number 4, Rudraprayag. The right answer is Devprayag. Question number 35. Which river basin is shared by more than 10 states of India? Option number shared by more than 10 states of India. Option number 1, Indus. Option number 2, Brahmaputra. Option number 3, Ganges. Option number 4, Damodar. The right answer is Ganges. The Ganga is the largest and the most important river of India. The 2525 km long river carries off the drainage of a vast basin area, 861,404 km, covering 26.2% area of India's total geographical area. The watershed of the river Ganga is spread over 10 states of India, namely Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. Question number 34 does not form a delta. Option number 1, Ganga. Option number 2, Brahmaputra. Option number 3, Godavari. Option number 4, Tapi. The right answer is Tapi. West flowing rivers in India such as Narmada and Tapti do not form deltas. They flow through fault region created by the mountains Vindhya and Satpuda, which is rocky and devoid of any alluvial matter. Question number 37. The only perennial river in peninsular India is option number 1, Godavari. Option number 2, Kaveri. Option number 3, Krishna. Option number 4, Bhima. The right answer is Kaveri. Kaveri is the only perennial river in peninsular India. Though not snow-fed like the rivers of North India, Kaveri receives rainwater almost all through the year, mainly due to occurrence of reverse monsoon in Tamil Nadu, in which monsoon brings significant amount of rains even during its retreat from the Indian subcontinent. Question number 38. Bhakra Nangal Project is constructed across which river? Option number 1, Ganga. Option number 2, Satluj. Option number 3, Kaveri. Option number 4, Brahmaputra. The right answer is Satluj. Question number 39. Ahmedabad is situated along the bank of option number 1, Sabarmati River. Option number 2, Narmada River. Option number 3, option number 4, Luni River. The right answer is Sabarmati River. Question number 40. The sideways erosion which widens the river valley called option number 1, lateral corrosion. Option number 2, vertical corrosion. Option number 3, side corrosion. Option number 4, mean corrosion. The right answer is lateral erosion. Sideways form of erosion is called lateral erosion. In lateral erosion, the river erodes away its banks and widens the river channel.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.